Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. I've been using my Google Pixel 3a XL with Android Q Beta 3 installed for about a week now, and I wanted to do a follow-up video on some of the bugs I'm having and just some of the stuff that I've noticed. First things first is for a beta, an Android beta on a new device, it is running surprisingly well. I haven't had any major bugs, battery life issues, or slowdowns or anything like that. Only bug I'm noticing is when I go to unlock the device using the fingerprint, sometimes I will just get a black screen with like the swipe up button. It's probably not going to do it right now. It does it about 2 to 3 times a day, and sometimes it will happen like 3 to 4 times when I try to unlock it, and then I'll finally get it to unlock. I just have to relock it and unlock it again, and that will go away. So that's one of the things I've noticed. That's pretty much the only bug that I've been having. Battery life has been great. It's been lasting me all day with about 40% left. Between 30 and 40% with about 5 hours of screen on time, and that's being unplugged all day. So I'm not having to plug it in midday and charge it or anything like that. So battery life is definitely good. The battery optimization in this beta is definitely good. So not having any issues with that, and like I said, that is really the only main bug I've noticed. I haven't had any Wi-Fi issues, any cellular issues, any issues loading apps or anything like that. So on a new device, the Pixel 3a XL, the Beta 3 of Android Q definitely has been running great, and I'm going to definitely recommend this upgrade when it comes out, that you do upgrade, because you're going to get a lot of security patches and stuff like that, as well as the new features being seen in Android Q. This has been Colin with Techout. This is Android Q Beta 3 on the Google Pixel 3a XL. As I said, Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.